Sinkin' Sand, how to play. The object of the game is to be the last player standing once everyone else falls through the sand. Randomly place the sticks in the top piece. Hide the ruby in the sand, then pack in the sand on top of the sticks until the surface is even. Press down with the molding tray to create the gem pattern. Each player picks a character. The youngest player goes first, then play initially proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the die, then place your character token in the matching zone in the sand that doesn't already have a token in it. If there are no available spots, or you don't roll a gem, then roll again. Once all the character tokens are placed, then on your turn, you must remove one stick from the board as determined by the color rolled. If you roll a multicolor, then you get to remove any stick you want. If you roll a color and no matching color stick remains, then you must re-roll until you get a color for a stick that you can remove. If you roll the arrows, roll again, then the direction of play reverses. If your character falls to the ground, then you are eliminated from the game. When the ruby is revealed, all players simultaneously race to collect it. The player who collects it keeps it in front of them. If their character token falls through, then they get to trade in the ruby to place their character token back on top of the sand wherever they want. The last player standing once everyone else falls through the sand wins.